If you work in DaVinci Resolve, understanding nodes is one of the most important parts of color grading. In this video, I'll show you how to add or remove nodes in DaVinci Resolve in a quick, simple, and beginner-friendly way. Nodes are the building blocks of your adjustments on the color page, and once you know how they work, you can organize your corrections more efficiently and make better edits faster. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips. First, go to the color page by clicking the color wheel icon at the bottom center of the screen. This is where all your node-based color adjustments happen. Once you're on the color page, look to the right side of the interface. This is called the node editor, and it's where you'll see your current nodes displayed as connected boxes. Each node represents a separate layer of adjustment, and the order matters because Resolve processes them one after another. Now let's add a new node. The easiest way is to right-click on an existing node. When the menu appears, choose Add Node, then select Add Serial. This creates a new node that follows the current one in the processing chain. A serial node is great when you want to stack corrections in order, such as doing one adjustment first and another adjustment afterward. If you want a faster method, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt+S. That instantly adds a new serial node after the currently selected node. This shortcut is especially helpful when you're grading frequently and want to save time instead of opening the right-click menu every time. The new node will appear in the chain, ready for you to make more changes. Now let's say you want to remove a node. First, click the node you want to delete so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when it has a red border around it. After that, simply press the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard. The node will be removed from the chain and the remaining nodes will stay in place. Sometimes, after moving things around, you might accidentally break the connection between nodes. If that happens, don't worry. You can fix it by clicking and dragging the line between the nodes. Make sure you connect the green output circle of one node to the green input of the next node. Once the connection is restored, your image flow will work again exactly as it should. And that's the basic process for adding and removing nodes in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple workflow, but it makes a huge difference when you're organizing your color grade and building a clean editing setup. The more comfortable you get with nodes, the easier it becomes to control your image with precision. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.